No, thank you.
Can I help you, gentlemen?
Can I just ask you a question?
What's that?
Just ask you a question. What facility is this?
This is Kern Mosquito and Vector Control.
Right. That's where we came to have a look.
Can I ask you why?
Yeah, you may ask.
Do I need to call the Kern County Sheriff?
I don't know. Why would you do that?
You gentlemen are... I don't know why you're videotaping the facility. You're on private property.
This is private property?
Yes, sir.
I didn't see any signs.
This is
All right, guys, welcome back. Today I'm doing something I've never done before. I am speaking at a university in a class, and I'm premiering this video with all of you on YouTube with the class as well. So many of you guys that are already subscribed to my channel, welcome the class in the comment section. All right, so a lot of these clips, many of you guys have seen them before. Many of you guys haven't. Nonetheless, I tried to pull some educational clips. I think many of you are going to learn from this. I will be answering some questions after you watch these clips, so everyone here in the class, don't be afraid to ask me some questions. I don't know if you're going to be doing criminal justice with your careers, but these videos will definitely help you guys. So without further ado, everyone together, let's enjoy these clips.
How you guys doing?
Not too bad. What was that?
You guys want to talk to the
Yeah. We were just gonna go around and record, but the gentleman inside there is saying that we can't go in and record. But my understanding is that the courthouse is allowed for the public to go in there, and
certain areas, yes, not the whole courthouse. You guys know the rules just like we do.
Yeah, but the area we were in was okay, right?
I don't know where you're at. I'm just going out.
Well, we didn't walk behind any radar or anything at all. They just kicked us out of the door.
Yeah.
You're cool right here.
Okay, so we can go back in there and record.
Well,
Just right here in this area.
The problem with that is, guys, it's right there. On the other side of the doors, you guys see is the metal detectors.
Yeah.
Right.
Heating the flow as it is.
Right.
That's why most guys stay right here and film.
Right.
But I mean.
So even if I'm like right here, I'm okay, right? Because the guy came and told us that he was barking orders and told us to move past the sign.
About it. Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome.
We're cool with you guys. Like I said, I understand the whole First Amendment audit. You guys are good to film. You know, so you guys.
What is?
I ask that you guys don't impede the traffic out here.
Yeah. Actually, I've never heard of that. We just kind of started like a film school thing. But what is a First Amendment audit? Something I just heard recently.
Just research it on YouTube, man. They're all over YouTube.
Really?
So yeah, they just try to, make sure everybody is up to date on as far as the current laws and all that, and make sure my staff is
like accounted for.
Maybe something we might want to check out, guys. I mean, something for
like accountability.
Use as the assignment, maybe.
You guys want to use that?
You can go there, man.
Right ahead.
Sorry.
Hey, did you know that reckless driving is an arrestable offense?
reckless driving is?
Yeah, man. We were right there, and I was about to step out of my car, and you were coming down really fast, and I even seen some blue lights, and I'm trying to figure out if you were racing to come down to Chipotle or what's the deal.
I wasn't racing, and those blue lights are always on. When I'm driving away, you can see.
You were driving fast right through the parking lot, man.
Driving fast.
Yeah, you were speeding.
Yeah, you were speeding.
Would you like me to get another supervisor to make a complaint? You can, but
That'd be pretty cool.
huh?
Are you from this station right here?
I am.
Your name and badge number?
My name badge number is Gordado, Guardado, 31222.
31222.
Yep.
Can you slow it down for the safety of the people, man? Respectfully.
I hear what you say.
Right.
And I think I was, but I will pay more attention.
You seem to be like the leader here. Do you mind if I get your name just for the documentation?
I'm not a leader of anything, man. I'm an individual.
Well,
Yeah.
anybody's name. Just so I know who I talk to concerning the officer.
No, as a matter of fact, it is also in your policy that anyone can make a complaint anonymous, right?
They can, but you're not anonymous. We're standing here talking.
No, but I mean, anyone can make a complaint.
You don't want to leave
anonymous.
your name then or any information?
No.
So an incident number is good for you.
An incident number is good. Can I get your badge number as a matter of fact, really quick?
It'll be on the card when I give it to you.
All right, cool.
So I got kids. Right?
Okay.
And so you guys post this on the
Totally.
internet. The department sees that I didn't ask what I'm supposed to do, so that I got kids to take care of. So you do your independent journalism, which great. That's cool.
Yeah, First Amendment.
And then guess what happens?
What happened?
I get fired because you guys post something that the department doesn't approve of.
How would you get fired if you would have just
Because
sat there and
I'm
shut
not
up?
doing what I need to do.
Hey, bro, if you would have just sat there and shut up, you wouldn't even be worried about stuff like that.
No. Why am I?
Just eat your apple, bro.
But I can't say something.
Just eat your apple.
No. Eat my
Hey, bro,
apple.
just eat your
I
apple,
love the
bro.
sarcasm, but you won't answer a straight question.
What's up, boys? Sorry, they were talking to me.
That's all right.
How can I help you guys?
I was just making sure that we're not in any any area we're not supposed to be in, right?
No.
We're okay to walk around the store?
Yeah, you're okay to walk around right here.
Cool. Thanks, man.
Yeah. Are you guys San Joaquin?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, so many.
Oh man,
How you doing, man?
how you doing?
Yeah, you guys are good, man.
Because of that fear that this guy had, man, it just created all this escalation. But you've been very professional. I appreciate that, man.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Can I ask which auditor group you guys are with?
We're just individuals, man. We're all
That's
individuals.
fine. I know. I see a lot of the videos, and I know some of them like different ones, like San Joaquin, and that's the one that pops.
How you doing,
San
man?
Joaquin. I've seen a lot of your videos, man.
Thank you.
No problem. So, no, I watch a lot of your guys' stuff just to my own knowledge and learning myself. So
I appreciate you.
you guys.
Thank you.
Hey, we don't have any problem with you guys filming or whatever you need to do, but just understand that they're having a private medical conversation that is protected by privacy rights. So just stay far enough away where you don't overhear their conversation.
Privacy rights? Can you state the penal code on the privacy rights?
It's HIPAA.
HIPAA?
Medical HIPAA rights, yes.
Are you a medical professional?
I'm a police officer.
You're a police officer?
Yeah.
So are you trying to tell me that HIPAA applies here in this situation?
Oh, absolutely. His privacy for
It does
medical?
not. We're in public. You have to create privacy in order
That's
for
what we're
that.
trying to do by moving them where we are,
Well, we're still in public though.
right?
Well, I'm still in public. We're all still in public.
Like I said, you can record all you want, but you're not going to record their audible conversations that they're having
Oh, I mean,
because it's related to a medical issue, and you could be sued by him if you wanted to go that route.
well, possibly so, but you could sue a ham sandwich. Doesn't mean you're gonna win.
Okay.
Can I get your name and badge number? I see you're wearing the 3 chevrons.
Dennis Eddie, badge number 907.
Sergeant Eddie,
Number 907.
Assistant Manager Eddie, 907. You like your video? Yeah, you put my name out there.
You said I could.
Yeah, right. Yeah, right. Get out of the mud, bro. Shit, you stepping in the mud talking to me.
What you call the sheriff?
And what was your name, sir?
I'm not going to answer that question. When the sheriff gets here, I will.
Is there anything I could help you with?
I don't know why you have the video cameras.
We're just looking around. I mean, this is not open to the public.
No.
What about the lobby? Yeah,
The front office normally would be.
yeah. Well, I don't see any no trespassing signs.
If you look on the front gate, there is no trespassing signs. You want me to go show you the no trespassing
Let's
signs?
go have a look.
Okay, let's go.
And if you find out today, you didn't say your name.
No, I'm not going to say my name.
You're not gonna say.
No.
Well, is there any reason why you have to be rude?
I don't have to be rude.
Well,
I don't understand. This is really.
Hold on. Why do you have to talk to me like that? Can't you be kind?
Yeah, I can be kind.
Okay,
but
let's try. Let's start over.
Most people don't show up at the district uninvited with video cameras.
Uninvited. If this is open to the public, like the lobby is, right? Maybe the lobby's not open right now, but the lobby's usually open to the public. And if this is open to the public, then if we would like, we can come around and look around and.
So you feel like that you have the right to go ahead and video public agencies?
Whatever.
What's
yeah?
Huh?
Have you ever heard of what's not forbidden is allowed?
What's not forbidden is allowed.
What's not forbidden is allowed.
Does that mean that we need to start locking the front gate?
If there's a no trespassing, if there isn't a no trespassing sign, and if this is open to the public, then there's really no reason for you to be rude or even asking
Let me
us.
go show you the sign on the front door. Currently, this facility is not open.
I wish you would, be more professional and say your name, especially if you work for the public. There's no reason for you to be rude. We can go take a look to see if there's a no trespassing sign. And let me ask you this.
You need to go take a look.
Hold on.
Like I said, I have no clue as to what you're doing or what.
Okay, hold on. If you find out that you're wrong today, will you apologize?
I'm not going to answer any more of your questions.
You're not going to answer him, but you would like me to answer questions to you?
No. You know what? If you gentlemen want to wait till the sheriffs get here, you're welcome to do so.
Well, if the sheriff comes and the sheriff tells you that you're wrong, would you apologize?
Would I apologize?
Right. For being aggressive and being rude?
You know what? I'm not going to. No. It's my job as a supervisor to be aggressive when strangers are on the property.
Really?
Especially somebody with
Well, we'll take a look for that sign, man. If we go around and we just look around and we ask questions, and we try to, for the city of Bakersfield, or for instance here we're at the county, tax funded.
You didn't say who you were with.
Well, are you saying that the lobby is not open to the public right now?
If you would like to go see the sign on that front door, it will state that the lobby is not open to the public.
Okay, I'll go take a look at the sign.
Maybe the Kerr County Sheriff will be up there by the time you get there.
Cool. Do you know them by name? I know them and they know me as well. How about that? You're not very welcoming, man.
people of Bakersfield are gonna see this, so you know. You know, I'm only one of the people. You know, this is not how you should treat the people. And I haven't been rude to you either, have I? Fella?
Can I ask where your vehicle's at? Or did you walk here? Or how did you get here?
Actually, all these are our vehicles.
They are.
Yeah, taxpayers, man.
Yeah, you alright?
They're wondering why you're filming them.
Because it's my right. It's a public, accessible area.
Okay. I'll let them know.
Alright, man. Thank you.
Be a man, Jerry. Stop crying to another man, Jerry. Be a man, Jerry. Apologize.
Behave. You too, nice lady.
I told you.
I already knew all that stuff.
Yeah, but why are you guys acting all crazy?
Because you're annoying, and you guys.
Also, you did all this for no reason.
So what you're saying is your feelings are more important than my freedom.
No.
I was actually nice. I was actually nice to Jerry.
With your freedom.
We're doing nothing.
Karen.
Your name is not Karen.
Yo, you're gonna make it on the internet as a Karen.
Why don't you get a real job, Mr.
Karen. Bye, Karen.
Get a real job. At least
Bye,
I have a
Karen.
real job.
Bye, Karen. How you doing today?
Hey, pretty good.
Pretty good.
I'm John, the superintendent here.
Superintendent here?
Yeah, we had to do some brush up. We had to do some reading since the last time we were here.
Yeah.
So we had to figure it out. We weren't prepared for it.
You know, I've done several videos like this, and I'm not always on my best behavior.
Yeah.
That day I was doing my best. You know, I try to make them more educational than anything, because there's a lot about these places where our money goes and we don't know exactly where it's going.
Yeah.
So we just come and ask questions, and, you know, no big deal.
This globalist agenda, the people who are going to be enforcing that as cops. So we have to hold them responsible for what they are doing. I commend people like you. More people need to do this. You need to study the Constitution. You got to learn the amendments, make sure the cops know, and really enforce your rights if they don't.
Right. Absolutely. And I got to tell you that I was really nervous about coming onto your show today. For one, I'm not really well spoken. Two, I know that you have kind of a large following, and a lot of your following is definitely back to blue. But I do want to point out that I didn't understand this about the blue line flag when I started, until I started getting a lot of comments from veterans saying things like, you know, that flag is extremely disrespectful. You know, the blue line flag is not the red, white, and blue. That's not what our brothers and sisters died in the war for that blue line flag, for these cops to, you know, display this everywhere in their departments and on their uniforms. And as a matter of fact, you know, they should turn it back to the red, white, and blue, and not the blue line flag. And that leaves me to mention something else. Why do police use military ranks, sergeant, lieutenant, you know, all these things? I went on a podcast with Cannabis Talk 101, and those guys are amazing, by the way. Shout out to them, man. These guys have given me the opportunity to go and meet people and talk to people. Dude, I went to the Burning Trees Festival. I was on stage with some of my favorite rappers, Busta Rhymes, Too Short. I got to hang out with Exhibit at the hotel. Blue from Cannabis Talk 101, he said something on that thing. He's like, man, you guys, we need to stop calling these cops sergeants, because we're not at war with the people. You know, we're and these are things that I'm uncovering as I go. Like I was like blown away. I was like, whoa, dude, really? I was like, that's bad ass. So I went cop watching that night, and this three chevron striped, you know, he wore the 3 chevrons, and like I said, I don't like to call them sergeants, but I was like, can I get your name and badge number? And he was all sergeant, yada yada yada, and I was like, assistant manager what? And he was like, no, sergeant. I was like, assistant manager what? He's like, sergeant. And I thought it was funny, because like I said, that Blue from Cannabis Talk 101, he was correct on that. You know, in my opinion, why are we using military ranks to address them? And that's
actually very profound, man. I've never really thought about that. You're right.
A lot of us don't, man. A lot of these things fly over our head. Hey, what's up, guys? San Joaquin Valley Transparency. I'm here with Jace the Real Camera, Wolfie Gladly. We're here at Cannabis Talk 101. I'm here with my friend Blue and my friend Joe. Make sure you guys check out the full podcast episode. We have a lot to talk about. We talk about how and why, some of the reasons why I got in. They talk about some of the reasons they got in. These guys allowed us to ask questions. Also, the Pop Brothers were on here, guys. This is crazy. You guys do not want to miss the full episode. I'm going to drop the link in my description as well. Definitely go subscribe to Cannabis Talk 101. These guys are awesome. You're going to love them, guys. Thank you, guys.
Peace.